Welcome to our channel.
Today we will learn different phrasal verbs with sentences. Let's begin. Turn on. Can you turn on the light, please? Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Get in. It's raining. Get in the bus quickly. Get off. Please get off the bus quickly. Get up. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Get on. It's time to get on the plane. Break down. My car broke down. Carry on. Let's carry on walking. Give up. Don't give up easily. Make up. Let's make up after the fight. Look after. I will look after the kids. Stand up. Stand up when speaking in class, please. Set up. They set up the tent in the backyard for camping. Clean up. She cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Fill out. Please fill out this form with your personal information. Take off. Please take off your shoes. Work out. I work out every day. Cut down. He cut down the tree. Put on. Put on your mask. Take out. Please take out the trash. Break out. A fire broke out. Look for. I'm looking for my friend. Come in. The door's open, come in. Let in. She opened the window to let in the air. Back away. When he saw the bear, he backed away. Deal with. The manager is good at dealing with difficult customers. Hurry up. Hurry up. We'll miss the bus.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.